KTM News: Miguel Oliveira storms to Red Bull KTM Factory Racing's 6th MotoGP victory. Please subscribe our channel, thank you for your support. The Pertamina Grand Prix of Indonesia at the new Mandalika International Street Circuit was wet and steamy but entirely memorable for a dominant performance by Red Bull KTM Factory Racing's Miguel Oliveira, who sailed to his first win of the season and the 6th victory for KTM in the Premier category. Oliveira, in his 50th MotoGP start, excels in demanding wet conditions for a first KTM win of the year. Points for Brad Binder as the South African wins frantic battle for 8th. 2 from 2 podium trophies for KTM this season after ruling the Mandalika Circuit inauguration, as Binder sits just 2 points from World Championship lead and Oliveira is 4th. KTM lead Constructors' Championship for the first time as Red Bull KTM top team standings. MotoGP rounded the flat, fast, hot and soaking wet Pertamina Mandalika Circuit, the first Grand Prix on Indonesian soil in a quarter of a century. The teams and riders familiarized themselves with the brand new facility during a brief preseason test but had to cope with harsh temperatures and low grip asphalt that was unpredictable in terms of the size and cleanliness of the main racing line. The MotoGP sprint was delayed by over an hour after a torrential rain shower flooded the venue, and additionally resulted in the overall race distance being reduced to 20 laps. Red Bull KTM started from the second and third rows of the grid thanks to Binder and Oliveira's efforts through a positive Q2 on Saturday. Oliveira rocketed from 7th to the lead and diced with Jack Miller as the pair edged a slight distance over the rest of the pack. As the conditions changed, riders remained on edge, tackling the varied sections of dampness as the heat helped to clear some of the racing lines. Oliveira embraced the challenge and forged a 5-second lead by the mid-race stage, which he managed all the way to the checkered flag. Marking Oliveira's 4th victory in the MotoGP category, KTM are the top manufacturer in the series for the first time in their 6-year tenure in the category, while Red Bull KTM Factory Racing topped the team standings following their best start to a season so far. Launching from 4th, Binder suffered a technical problem before he could establish his race pace and then plowed a course through the water to win a thrilling battle for 8th. Binder is now just 2 points from the top of the MotoGP championship table and Oliveira has lifted to 4th. Since KTM joined the Premier class in 2017, the manufacturer has taken 15 podiums including 6 victories and will be looking to carry this momentum after a positive start to the 2022 season. Miguel Oliveira said, "Emotionally, that was a roller coaster. The start was perfect and then it was hard to judge the limit. I followed Jack for a few laps and understood I could go faster. I then focused to do the maximum and built the gap. I was managing the cushion through the race, but it was not easy. It hasn't been the easiest time for me, so this is emotional, and I promised my daughter a trophy from Indonesia, so this is for her. Let's go to Argentina now and see what we can do and keep up the level. Right now, I'm happy to be on top of the podium." Brad Binder said, "I'm disappointed because I had a good feeling all weekend and especially with rain tires. Despite the rain, the grip from the track was insane in some places. Unfortunately, I did the whole race with the ride height device down, and to finish 8th is like a win. If it had been a dry race, then I don't think I would have been able to do anything. So, we got unlucky and lucky with the circumstances. It was difficult to bring the bike home, so I'm happy. Argentina is a track I really enjoy. It will be my first time there on the MotoGP track, so let's see." Francesco Guidotti, Red Bull KTM team manager, said, "I'm really happy and what a result for the team and the company. Everybody who has worked in this project deserves this win. Miguel was so strong since Friday morning and so committed as any condition or circumstance. 2 races and 2 podiums and a victory. We are in a good way. What a great start to 2022. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe our OKR Moto YouTube channel. OKR Moto is an KTM authorized dealer and service since year 2003 based in Slovakia. For more KTM related news with international subtitles, please check our playlist. Link is available in the description of this video. Thank you for your support and subscription.